Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Good, very good. Now again I am here, your maths teacher, with teaching you maths. Okay, so what we are doing? We are doing chapter 3, numbers up to 99. Okay, and what we have done? We have written number names from 1 to 100. Okay, so and we have done tables also from 2 to 5. So first today we will revise our tables. Okay, what we will do today? First we will revise our tables. Okay, so I am writing some tables, some dodging tables on the board, and you have to copy with me. You have to write with me what I am writing on the board. Okay, so all of you first take out your book, your notebook, your pencil, your eraser, sharpen your pencil and start writing with me. When I am writing on the board, you write in your notebook. Okay, and write correctly from the board, copy correctly from the board. So first we will revise the table. So what is our today's heading? First you write the date on the top of your notebook. Okay, what is the date today? That you have to write today's date. Then take new page and on the top of your notebook write division of table. Division of tables. Okay. We have done tables from 2 to 5. So today we will revise the table. Okay. So first write the heading division of table. Division of tables. R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division of tables. Okay. So 2 into 4. 2 fours are 6, right? No, then 2 fours are 8. Very good. So write here 8. 2 fours are 8. So first we will write all the questions and then we will write the solution. So first you write all the questions with me. Okay? So first I have already done. Now next I will write first all the questions and then we will write its answer, its solution. B. 4 into 3. C. 5 into 5. D. 2 into 2. D. 4 into 7. F. 3 into 3. G. 2 into 9. H. 5 into 2. I. 4 into 6. J. 2 into 1. And last is 5 into 3. So first all of you write all the questions. First copy all the questions. 2 into 4 is equals to dash. B. 4 into 3 is equals to dash. C. 5 into 5 is equals to dash. D. 2 into 2 is equals to dash. E. 4 into 7 is equals to dash. Next, 3 into 3 is equals to dash. G. 2 into 9 is equals to dash. H. 5 into then we will write the solution. Okay. We have written. Now let's write the solution. First already I have done, but again we will revise it. So 2 4s are 2 into 4. We can read it as 2 into 4 or 2 4s are. Okay. There are two ways of reading this question. Okay. So 2 4s are is 8 or 2 into 4 is also 8. Okay. This is the sign of into or multiplication. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now B. What is this number? 4. And which number is this? 3. So 4 3s are, what is 4 3s are? 4 3s are 12. 1 2 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Or we can read this question as 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 4 3s are 12. Write the answer 12. What is the answer? 12. 1 to 12. Now C. 5 5s are, 5 into 5 means 5 5s are 25. 25. 2 5 25. 5 into 5 means 5 5s are, answer is 25. 5 5s are 25. Repeat after me. 5 5s are 25. Okay, if you have learned all the tables, then it is very easy for you to solve these questions. Okay. Now, what is the next question? D. What are the numbers here? 2 and 2. What are the two numbers here? 2 and 2. So how do we read it as? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now next E. What are the two numbers here? What are the two numbers here? 4 and 7. 4 and 7. And how do we read this question as? 4 into 7. 4 into 7. और कैसे रीड करेंगे? 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. I hope all the students are writing. All are writing? Good. So 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Or we can read it as 4 into 7 is 28. 4 into 7 is 28. 4 7s are 28. Now next question. Which number is this? 3. And this is also 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? 9. 3 3s are 9. And we can read it as 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Now next question. What are the numbers given here? 2 and 9. 2 and 9. So first we will read the question. How do we read this as? 2 into 9 or 2 9s are. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 1 8 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay, now next question. What are the numbers? 5 and 2. 5 and 2. So 5 2s are 10. 1 0 10. 5 2s are 10. Or 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Now the next question. What are the numbers? 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So 4 into 6 or 4 6 are. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Now next 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. So what is the answer? 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now the last a 5 into 0. Whenever we multiply 0 by any number, what answer we get? 0. When 0 is multiplied by any number, we always get an answer 0. So 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Okay. So we will revise it again. We will read it again. Now see. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. If we read it in reverse order, 4 2s are 8. That means in multiplication, in multiply, when we write the tables, 2 into 4 is also 8 and 4 into 2 is also 8. Okay. So in both the ways you can check your answers. Okay. In both the ways we can check our answers. So 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s is also 8. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s is also 8. Now see B. 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s is also 12. 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s is also 12. Now see 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now D. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now E. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. We have not done the table of 7, but 7 4s is also 28. Okay. 4 7s are 28 and 7 4s is also 28. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Next, 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Now H. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. And if we read this in reverse order, 5 2s is also 2 5s is also 10. 2 5s is also 10. Now 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Okay, if we read it in reverse order, we have not done the table of 6, but 6 4s is also 24. 6 4s is also 24. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. And last is 5 zeros are 0. That means if we multiply any number by 0, we will get the answer 0. So 5 into 0 is 0. So copy it fast. All of you have written. Now we will continue with our next question. All of you take out new page. All of you take out new page. Okay. Start writing from new page. After you are finishing this division of table, take new page for writing this question. Okay. Take new page. Okay. Take new page and write the question. Copy the question with me. I am writing the question on the board and you copy the question from the board. Okay, and write with me. Write fast and don't fill in the balloon. What is the question? F-I-double-L. Fill. I-N-N. The. T-S-E. The. Fill in the balloons. B-A-double-L-double-O-N-S. Fill in the balloons with fill in the balloons with numbers. Fill in the balloons with numbers and color them. You have to color also, okay? But you don't do the coloring just now. You do the coloring after doing all the question, okay? After this lecture, after writing all the question, you can do coloring, okay? First you do the question, first you do the writing work, okay? Just now you don't color the balloons. Fill in the balloons with numbers and color them. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color them. Copy the question. Fill in the balloons with number and color them. Fill in the balloons with numbers and color them. Fill in the balloons with numbers and color them. So, write first. Okay. So, you want to draw the balloon. You like drawing balloon. So, first we will draw the balloon. Okay. How many balloons you have to draw? 10. Okay. So, draw 10 balloons. So, first you draw one line using a scale. I hope all of you have scale. So, draw a straight line, horizontal line using a scale. Okay. And after drawing the line, you make balloons. Okay. Make balloons. How many balloons you have to make? 10 balloons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last 10. Okay. So how many balloons you have to make? You have to make 10 balloons. How many balloons you have to make? You have to make 10 balloons. Okay. So first write the first question. So what is the number written here? 73. 73. And after leaving 2 balloons, what is the number written here? 76. 76. Okay. So first all of you draw how many balloons? 10 balloons. Okay. Now after drawing the balloon, you have to write 73 in this first balloon and you have to write 76 after leaving 2 balloons. You leave this balloon and this balloon and write 76. Now what we have to do? We have to fill the balloon with numbers. What we have to do? We have to fill the balloons with number. The balloons that are empty. Okay. The balloons that have not written any number, we have to fill the balloon. We have to write the numbers in these balloons. Okay. So we have to fill the balloons with numbers. So what is the number given here? 73. What is the number given here? 73. So which number will come after? The after balloon is empty. Okay, so we have to write the after number. So 73. Which number will come after 73? 74. So write here 74. 75, 75. Okay. Now the next is 76, 76. This is already given. 76, 76 is already filled. This balloon is already filled. So what we have to do now? We have to fill the, after all the balloons, we have to fill the balloons that are given after 76, 76. 76, 76. Now which number will come after 76, 76? 77, 77. 77, 77. Okay. What we have to do? We have to write the after numbers. Okay. Why we are writing after numbers? Because the balloons that are empty are written after, are drawn after. Okay. So that is why we are writing the after numbers. Okay. Now the next number. Which number will come after 77, 77? 78, 78. 78, 78. Okay, now which number will come after 78, 78? The number that come after 78 is 79, 79. 79, 79. 79, 79. Now which number will come after 79? Which number? 80, 80. 80, 80. The number that come after 79 is 80. 80, 80. Now which number will come after 80? 80, 80. Which number? 81, 81. 81, 81. The number that comes after 80 is 81. 81, 81. And what will be the number after 81? The last balloon is having which number? 82, 82. 82, 82. 82, 82. Okay, so we have filled all the balloons with numbers. Okay, 73, 73 is already given. So the number that come after 73 is 74. This we have done. The number that come after 74 is 75. This again we have done. Then 76 is already given. Then the number after 76 is 77, 77. Now this after 77 is 78, 78. After 78, 79, 79. After 79, 80, 80. Now after 80, 81, 81. And the number after 81 is 82, 82. Okay. So the first question we have done. You color all the balloons afterwards. Okay. Now the second question. Okay. The second question. Again draw one line. Again draw one line. And you have to draw how many balloons? 10 balloons. Draw 10 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I hope all the students are writing. All are writing. Good. Now this exercise is given on page number 44. Okay. This question is given on page number 44 in your maths book. Okay. The question that we are doing here is given in your maths book on page number 44. So draw the next question and draw the 10 balloons. Now let's see what are the numbers written on this balloon. 55, 55. The first balloon is filled with number 55 and the second balloon is also filled with the number 56, 56. Okay. So draw the balloons. Now This is already written. This balloon is already filled with the number 5555. The next balloon is also filled with the number 5656. Now what we have to do? We have to fill the next balloon. Okay. Now which number we have to write? We have to write before number or after number? We will write the after number. Why we will write the after number? Because the after balloon is empty. Okay. Because the after balloons are empty. That's why we have to fill the balloons with writing by writing the after numbers. So which number will come after 5656? This is 5555 already given. This is 5656 already given. Now the number that comes after 56. Which number will come after 56? 5757. 5757. The number that come after 56 is 5757. Okay. Now which number will come after 57? 5858. 5858. The number that come after 57 is 5858. Now which number will come after 58? The number that come after 58 is 5959. 5959. 5959. Now which number will come after 59? The number will come after 59 is 6060. 6060. 6060. Now which number will come after 60? Which number will come after 6060? 6161. 6161. The number that come after 60 is 61. 61. Now which number will come after 61? 6262. 6262. The number that come after 61 is 62. 6262. Now which number will come after 62? The number come after 62 is 6363. 6363. The number that come after 62 is 6363. Now which number will come after 63? 6464. 6464. So in this way we have filled all the balloons by writing after numbers. Why we have writing after numbers? Because the balloons that are empty, are the after balloons. Okay. So we have filled the balloon by writing the after numbers. Okay. So we have filled the balloons by writing the after numbers. I hope all of you have written this. Now the last question is 3. Now the last question, 3rd. In this last question also 10 balloons are given. 10 balloons are given. So first I am drawing one line, and on this line draw 10 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last is 10. Okay. Again draw 10 balloons and see how many balloons are empty. How many balloons are empty first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5 balloons are empty, and after 5 balloons, the 6th balloon have a number written. Which number is written? 8080. Okay. So first count the first 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 balloons are empty, and we have to write number 8080 on the 6th balloon. Okay. Now after 80, the 4 balloons are also empty. Okay. After this 80, fill this balloon. Okay, so what is this number? This number is 8080. Which number is this? 8080. Now we have to write the before number. Okay, these balloons, in these balloons we write the before number that comes before 80. So which number will come before 80? The number that comes before 80 is 7979. 7979. 7979. The number that comes before 80 is 79. And which number will come before 79? 7878. 7878. The number that comes before 79 is 78. Now which number will come before 78? 7777. 7777. Now the number that comes before 77 is 7676. 7676. Which number will come up before 76? 7575. So in these balloons we have written before number. Now we will write the after number. Now which number will come after 80? 8181. Now which number will come after 81? 8282. Which number will come after 82? 8383. Now the number that come after 83 is 8484. So in this way we fill all the balloon. We have filled all the balloons with number. Now it's your work for coloring. It's your work to color all the balloons. Okay. So first you do all the 3 questions and fill all the balloons with number. And after writing the numbers, what you will do? You will use color pencil for coloring your balloon for different balloons. Okay. Now there is one question on page number 44. Okay. That is your homework for today. Okay. What is your homework? Today's homework? Your homework is on page number 44. Okay. Question number 1 is there. And on that page, what you have to do? You have to write the numbers from 51 to 100. What you have to write? You have to fill this table in your book only. Okay. What you have to write? You have to write the numbers from 51 to 100. This is your homework. Okay. So this question we already done. And this is your homework. Okay. So today we stop here and we will continue the next topic in our next lecture. Bye beta.